Hey guys, welcome back. On my last video, I converted my Infiniti QX60's interior lights to LEDs and I really liked it. So I ordered the same product for the 9.5 and I'm hoping it'll be just as good. So let's get started. The thing I really liked about this product last time was that they came in separate labeled bags, so it left no room for confusion. I was a little disappointed to find that for the SAAB, they weren't separately labeled. Instead, they all came in one bag. I think this is because Infiniti is a more mainstream brand, so they put more effort into it. But since almost no one drives SAABs, it seems like they put a bunch of commonly used bulb sizes, assuming it'll be enough. We'll see how this goes. And that's about every interior bulb I could find. And I still had 8 bulbs left, which I'll keep as backup. Overall, I'm very pleased with this product, especially for the price. Not having to search for individual bulb sizes is a huge plus. I'm not too worried about quality, but I'll report back with some long-term review if there is enough interest. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.